Here's how to create an embroidery woven rose. So I'm tying a single knot in the end of 6 strands of thread. I'm going to bring the needle up in the middle of this wheel and make a single stitch for each spoke of the wheel. So I'm starting from the middle, going out to the edge, and then the remaining stitches I'm starting from the edge and going back into the middle. Then I'm going to bring my needle back up again as close to the centre as I can make it, taking care not to split the thread. And then I'm simply going to take my needle under one spoke and over the next one all the way round. So you're going under and over all the way round. You might find that you need to turn your work as you're doing this. And you can also use your needle just to keep everything neat and tidy. So it takes quite a lot of thread. You don't really want to be changing threads halfway through, so make sure you start with a long enough piece of thread that's going to complete your rose. So you're going to continue all the way around. Use plenty of thread, and to finish off you're going to take your needle to the back of your work and tuck it in underneath some of the threads at the back.